Hi everybody, it's your girl JC Cabeza, and I am here with an unboxing for you guys. As you all know, I love my Apple gear. I love new gadgets and technology, and today I have some goodies for you. So I will proceed in showing them. All right, so to start off, I have the Mophie wireless charger. I bought this off of apple.com and it retails for $39.95. So I'm going to unbox this for you guys. Check it out. I got an iPhone Max leather folio phone case. That's how it looks on the back. I want to unbox this for you guys. This is retailing for $129.95. And you know, if I got a phone case, then I have a new iPhone XS Max that I'm super excited for to open up for you guys. So without further ado, let the opening begin. Ouch, cut myself. So, of course, you know, from last time I am on the T-Mobile network. So this phone is going to be through T-Mobile. And right off the back, my first reaction is, well, damn, this box is heavy. And this is the box that it's coming in. It can't even fit in the whole frame of the computer, but that's super cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this stuff, you guys. So I'm going to save the phone for last. You guys are going to have to wait and see this last. So I am going to start with the Mophie charging base. So it says it's a wireless charging base. It's 7.5 watts of power. And let's see what's in the box. So it was no cellophane or anything on it. And first thing I realized is that I thought it was going to be bigger than this. You know, I was hoping Apple would come out with their magic charging pad that they had kind of previewed, where you could charge your watch and your AirPods, because I have AirPods, I have an Apple Watch, and your phone. So I was hoping that I'd be able to get something of that nature, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So it comes with the wireless charging pad, of course, like the big adapter in black, and then the wireless directions for how to use this. And again, this was on sale on Apple's website for $39.95. Then this is what I'm really excited about. This is the case for the iPhone XS Max. It is the leather folio case. Leather folio case. It is capable for wireless charging, and supposed to give your phone great protection. And of course, it has slots for like your bank card or your ID, for people who don't like carrying purses like I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, or try to open it while I have you guys on the computer. Right now it's a little tight in there, so it just slips out. Nothing else in the box. See, gonna toss that over there. And so it comes with like these little instructions on how to get your phone in, and that's just it, you guys. It's very thin. And here is how it looks. This is in Cape Cod blue. I typically get pink stuff. I don't know why. I don't love pink, but I just do. I never stop getting pink things. My first reaction is I want to take it back. To me, it doesn't seem like it's worth the money that I paid for it. And we'll see how it goes. I mean, I like to give everything a fair shot. But my first reaction is, you know, for $129, I was expecting like the creme de la creme of phone cases. So I'm glad I got to show you guys so you can see. So I'm just putting it in the camera. Come out. And it's kind of like cheap feeling. They say it's all leather. If you open it up, it has like a suede background, so I think that's nice. And then it's someplace where you can put your credit cards, etc. So this is the iPhone XS Max charging case in Cape Cod blue. And like I said, my first impression is like, meh. You know, I'll go out there and see what else I can get that may be a little bit better. But I didn't want to buy my phone with nothing to protect it. So I'm going to put this to the side. And the last thing you all have been waiting for, including myself, is the iPhone XS Max. It is in 64 gigabytes. That is the smallest that this has come in. And I'm excited to open it up to see what it has inside. So here we go. Let's hear that new phone sound. Oh yeah, that's it. Come on out the box. So like I said, still the same reaction of being like very heavy. Like, what the hell is inside of here? So, guys are seeing it for the first time like me. So just telling you that it's just signed in California. You guys don't judge me for that. And wow, this is really nice. I'm very impressed. Like, my first reaction is that it looks really good. I got it in gold. I got my last phone in gold too. Wow, I'm very impressed. So this is it. It feels rather large. I'm gonna just compare it to my iPhone 7 because that's the last phone I got because I wasn't impressed with anything else. But size-wise, it is the same size as my iPhone 7 Plus, but they say because it's all screen, that is bigger. But I like it. I like the size. So I'm going to turn it. Oh, let me see what else is in the box. I mean, not like you all didn't see all the shit fall out the box, but of course the adapter. A little charger. Headphones. I have AirPods. I wish this came with AirPods. Like for $10.99, which is what this is retailing. I really think it should have came with AirPods, but I digress. Directions, Apple stickers, because we all love a damn sticker. I mean, who are you fooling? What is this in here? Oh, this is weird. A little SIM card puncher outer. So, you know, next time you need to get your SIM card out, they have something here for you to get that out. And this is the, you know, hello. Get your iPhone X Max started. So I am going to get off of this. This has been a little bit longer than I'd like it to be. It's about 10 minutes. So I am going to, I guess I'll just start this for you guys and then I'll let you go. So I'm just going to turn it on camera. Oh, fancy. That's what I meant. I'm fancy, you guys. So, Just gonna let it turn on for you guys for the first time here, and then I'm gonna go set it up, see what this baby can do. It's looking like it's not doing much of, oh, there it is. Hello. Hi, phone. Hola. Saying everything. So I'm gonna let this go, you guys. You have a great night.